I'm out of here, nigga. Fuck all y'all niggas, bro. Fuck all the teachers and stuff. Bargo, Single Toys, and Miss D. I love y'all. Shouts to them enemies, son. Y'all can never hold me back, motherfuckers. I'm out this bitch. Yeah. Sophomore year is over, them haters couldn't stop me. All the appreciation, now a nigga feeling cocky. Rolling through the year with my lungs green as broccoli. Glad to show I didn't have to go wild like Rocky. Nigga stabbed me in the back but didn't shock me. Talking all that shit but ain't nobody come and sock me. All the sloppy, try to be flossy but couldn't top me. Nigga became naughty and body, yo posse. Bosses acting bossy but couldn't really boss me. Healthy like a salad, my enemies couldn't toss me. Hater hit me up saying Glady on the snap after telling me I couldn't rap. I spit shit, got my name across the map. Michael Kors on the wrist and some bitches on the lap. Went to school cool, middle finger to you bum fools. Following the new trend, Young Majestic still rule. And if you niggas sleep, I'ma keep doing me and let y'all drool. People think they screwing me but they ain't got the right tools. Change my surroundings cause I see where they going. I ain't changed my mind, just really started going. All the real ones coming with me, they already knowing I ain't gon' make it, yeah you lanes keep hoping. I keep rolling and foaming and keeping my chill by the kush that I'm smoking. Any obstacle in my way, Aaron already own it. Yeah, so smooth cause I became back sober on a junior year. So glad sophomore year is over.